Today I am returning with another banger. I am gonna be making the most amazing, the most juicy, the most flavorful baked chicken you have ever had in your life. Guys and gals, this right here takes absolutely no effort. We're not about to waste any time. You already know the motto, time is money. So let's get on to the recipe. Let go. So you're gonna begin with about 4 tablespoons of some room temperature butter. We're gonna toss in a little bit of freshly chopped rosemary and also about a teaspoon of our seasoning blend right here. I'm gonna list that down below in the description box and it will be listed on the screen shortly. But like I said, go ahead and mix that all together as we move on to our chicken. Here we are gonna take some super sharp kitchen shears and slice out that backbone, or cut out that backbone as I should say. And once you got that backbone out, don't throw it away. You can use this to make a nice chicken broth, so it is very useful. So go ahead and set that on to the side. Once we had that cut out, we're gonna flip that chicken over. By the way, I believe this chicken is about 5 pounds or so. I could be mistaken. That's just a guess. Go ahead and turn over your chicken and you're gonna apply some pressure right in the middle of the breast. You're gonna hear a crack. That's gonna allow your chicken to sit nice and flat and allow it to cook more evenly. And I'm also gonna take these shears and kind of clean up the chicken a little bit as you see on the screen. Once we have that taken care of, we're gonna take our hands here and we're gonna loosen up that skin right near the breast. Why? This is where we're gonna stuff that butter, guys. That butter is gonna do some amazing things to this chicken breast right here. Please believe me. So go ahead and grab a handful of that delicious butter, stuff it right underneath that skin, massage it so that it just, you know, spreads all along that chicken breast like so. You're gonna continue that process until your butter is pretty much everywhere it needs to be. Now we are gonna drizzle a little bit of oil onto our chicken and you're gonna give it a nice luxurious massage as we always do. Of course, you're gonna flip it over and oil up the other side as well and massage it on in just like so. And you know we gotta season it up proper. The motto ain't never changed. Ain't no bland chicken over here, baby. On the screen I have listed everything you need to do so, and like I said earlier, all the ingredients will always be in the description box as well for you to reference to. So go ham, go crazy. Don't ever be stingy with the seasoning. Make sure your chicken is well coated up on both sides. You don't want to have any spots on your chicken where it looks a little bit look a little bare or whatnot. You really want to make sure it's well coated up. And at this point, I have my oven preheated to about 375 Fahrenheit. That's the temperature we're gonna cook it at. And like I said, go ahead and season it up. It is looking really beautiful so far. Add a little bit more as needed. So you want to go ahead and transfer your chicken onto a baking pan, and I'm going to toss in some rosemary as well as some lemon slices. And like I said earlier, we're going to let this go at 375 Fahrenheit for about 50 minutes to an hour. You do want to keep an eye on it. We're baking it uncovered, but if you see your skin is getting a little too dark throughout the cooking process, you can then cover it with some aluminum foil. And of course, you know, after about, let's say 30-40 minutes in, you do want to baste it with all of those juices that will start accumulating on the bottom of the pan. That allows your chicken to get a nice, beautiful, glistening crust. Please believe me, you're about to see shortly. I'm about to pull it out of the oven and it It's beautiful. It is glorious. It is flavorful. It's everything. And I can't wait for you guys to try this one. Like I said, even out of the oven, I'm still basting this bad boy just like so. But that's pretty much it. Of course, we got to do the taste test. So that's what I'm about to give you. Ladies and gentlemen, we are looking good, smelling good, and I cannot wait to dig into this chicken right here. So let's go ahead and dig on in. Woo, that thing is gushing, bruh. I'm not even joking. That chicken is gushy. If you know what I mean, baby. Cheers, everybody. Wow. That's so flavorful. Oh my goodness. This go crazy. What can I say, guys? It's bomb. It's delicious, guys. It is amazing. It is so perfectly cooked. Absolutely nailed this one right here. Very, very, very juicy, very, very, very flavorful, and you definitely got to give this a try. It's absolutely amazing. Serve this with some rice and some veggies and game over. I'm letting you know. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you leave me a like, subscribe if you're new, rock that notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest video, and I'll be sure to see you all on the next one. Deuces.